welcome back to our channel,
The Unidenticals. I'm Lahari.
and I'm Lavanya. We make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe us and do also follow us on Instagram. The link is in our description.
And don't forget to press the bell button so that every time we upload a new video, you'll be notified. So we are back with our first birthday series, guys.
I know guys we are late, but nonetheless we are back with another exciting video this time.
So yeah, the first video for our birthday series is...
Dun, dun, dun. It's a huge Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul.
So yeah, without any further ado, let's get
into the
started. So yeah, these are the boxes we have received, and all of these are bought during the Pink Friday sale, guys. So we have how many products?
Around 15 to 16 products we have.
Yeah, so it's a birthday edition. So all of the products are something which we wanted to buy from like really long, and most of them are affordable. So we love this. So yeah, let's get started.
So guys, we have all the products in the combination of hair care, skin care, at the same time makeup. It's not that we have used all the products. If you want a separate review, do tell us in the comment section. We will love to do it.
So let's start with the first product. So it's in the category of makeup. So we got these two Faces Canada makeup fixers, and each one retails for $6.49, and it was an on off, like buy one and get one. So it's a really great deal, guys. We got both of these for $6.49. That means we got each for 250 rupees.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's an 100 ml product from Faces Canada. It says Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer, keeps makeup intact, hydrate and refreshes non-sticky. So yeah, we thought like let's get both of them. So this one is our first product.
And the next product that I have is this Plum Green Tea Clay Mask. This is love, guys. This product is so good. Let me show you. This is how it looks. I love the packaging. Like, look at the glass packaging.
It's a really
amazing.
glass, like huge packaging.
This mask is amazing. It's a very raved product. I've seen many great reviews about this product. It works very well for pigmentation. At the same time, for the tan, pimples, it works amazing.
Actually, it was for like 500, 560. We got it for 640.
300.
Yeah, 340.
Around 300 we got it. And this mask is amazing. You should try this. We will review if you want it.
Yeah.
Please do comment in the
Actually,
comment
let me tell you an experience on that. My sister had a pimple like right over here, and she used it for the first time,
and the pimple just suppressed into the skin.
It was like gone. Like, I'm not even promoting this, but just saying, because this is a really good mask. Rather than investing all small masks, this mask, and like investing so much, go with the one best mask and it's good to go. The third one is this Lava, and I love this face wash. It is Biotic Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash for all skin types. I don't know, most of the people say that their skin is not suitable to Biotic face wash, but we have been using this since so long, and right now we are trying
3 to 4 years.
Yeah, right now we are doing the papaya one, and that one is a really good one. That one is good for sensitive skin because it has a granules. But talking about this one,
it actually cleans the dead skin also.
Yeah, even if you have applied makeup now, it can just remove your mascara.
You literally
really
don't need a
well,
makeup remover. You literally don't need a makeup remover.
This one was for MRP 375, but we got this one for like 200. We got this one for 200.
Actually, Biotic is always on sale.
Biotic is always on 30% sale, guys. So you can definitely get this one. You can try the smaller ones and then go with this. But yeah, that's it.
Going to the next one. Okay, I didn't expect this product to come such a huge. That is nothing but the Tresemme shampoo, guys. It's a very huge bottle. When we saw for the first time, it was like a very little. So guys, there was an offer going on with shampoo with a conditioner, but I didn't thought the shampoo will come so big.
How much ml is a 1 liter?
It's a 1 liter, like 1 liter. Look at the...
And this one is 190 ml. So yeah.
How much it retails for? Okay, it retails for 774. And this is 220, but altogether, how much
we got it for like 600, I guess.
Yeah, 600.
Yeah, 600. Like, that's a so huge bottle. It's gonna come like for 1 year. Yeah.
So that's a great deal, actually.
Yeah. But talking about Tresemme, we have been using Tresemme. It's a really good shampoo.
When you go out,
but it has a chemicals.
Yes, you have chemicals.
But if you want something organic, then no.
So if you want something like the salon finish, then you must go for a Tresemme.
Tresemme one. The conditioner is really good, like, you know.
But
if
I
you
felt
want
like
something
conditioner should be a little more
bigger.
Like,
But let me tell you, conditioner is really good. I've used this one like yesterday.
even I have used it.
It was really good, guys. It just gave me that soft, shiny hair.
Salon finish.
Salon finish hair. Go for this one. This one is a good one. Yeah. So talking about the next one, on the category of skincare, we have Plum Toner. Who else does not know about this? Because this is really popular for acne and, you know, oily skin people. It's an alcoholic free toner and it's completely vegan. And this one is really raved product and it's almost shown in all the skincare like, you know, videos. Yeah, this one is for 390 rupees and we got this one for 250, something like that. I don't remember the prices, but I've been using this since 4 to 5 days. And
guys, I don't have any acne, but I have little bit of pimples going here and there. I've been using this for 4 days. I can see that my pimples have minimized a bit. Like, it's working. I'm like, I have to use it consistently. I think I will see a difference soon.
yeah, she'll let you know.
And my next product is this Nivea Pearl and Beauty deodorant, and it stays for, it's a deodorant, no? Roll-on deodorant. And it stays for 48 hours. Now this, I love the packaging, the glass packaging.
Glass,
at the
it's a
same
little
time,
glass.
this is how it looks, and I love the smell. The smell is amazing, guys.
It's a basic one. You have flavors, but I think the basic one
The
is
pearl
the best.
one is nice.
Yeah.
And I think it's actually stays, like, your armpits will literally be fresh for much longer time. So like creamy and sticky, you need to dry it and only then you should wear any clothes. But the smell and the freshness will stay for much longer.
That's good. So yeah. So yeah, something that we've been trying for the first time. So
Yeah, we're
this
still
one,
trying it. We don't tell
we
you
don't
the
know
review so
reviews,
quickly.
So yeah,
We'll let you know.
we'll let
guys.
you know. Comment down below. So this one is a plum facial oil with this beautiful purple and white packaging. So this one is the plum, grape seed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oil blend. So this one is a facial oil. It comes in this beautiful packaging. You can see all the polka dots going on, and yeah, and the bottle is also really beautiful. Yeah. So this is how the oil looks like. You can see we have started using this one and it's been like 4 days. Much? 775 guys, and we got it for 500 rupees.
500, yeah.
So that's a great deal for an facial oil because serums are really expensive. They are like above 600 and 700, but we'll review it later for you guys.
Okay, so the next one from my side, it has to be a primer. I love primer, and this is the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer.
Makeup, makeup, makeup.
This is how it looks. Okay, but this is amazing. It's basically a silicone primer, guys. It's a non-sticky primer. We will review it personally, but you must try this out. You must spend on this because if you want a makeup which has flawless finish, then you should try it out because it actually preps your skin well and also holds your makeup for much longer time, and also it, you know, makes a silky and smooth surface to your skin. It retails for 499 and we got it for around
450.
450 like that. Yeah,
And it's
around.
30 ml or what?
Yeah,
30
30
ml.
ml.
Yeah. So yeah, talking about another one, we have again clay mask. So recently we have been fond of these clay masks.
masks,
I
yeah.
don't know why. Actually, I wanted to buy the L'Oreal one, but yeah, as we had two in the cart, so we thought let us try these, then we'll go for that one.
So one of our friend actually suggested about these clay
one
masks.
of our best
we thought
friends
like, okay,
suggested
let's
this
give it a
one.
try.
Yeah, she like told me that the charcoal one is also really nice, but I wanted to give this one a try because that one was for especially for oily skin. So this one is the Pond's White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask, instant brightness, deep clean, brighten with vitamin B3 plus. Oh my god. So yeah, this one is the clay mask, and you have to like leave it for generally any other clay mask for 30 minutes. And guys, this one is a deal, like a steal, guys. You get these and many packets inside these.
Around 7 to 6.
1, 2, 3, 4. 6 packets.
packets.
I think we have used one already.
Okay, we have already used one.
No, I think we get 6 packs only. I think this one is the one that we used.
Used it, yeah.
1, 2, yeah. You get 6 packets, and this one was just for 150 rupees. And I think, yeah, it was 180 rupees it is, and we got it for 150 rupees. 3 people have used this one, and we have
still
more.
left. Still left.
I think 2 log ke liye easy aa jayega.
Yeah.
Even one can apply if you're applying thick layer.
Thick
then,
layer,
yeah.
but we have applied a very thin layer.
So yeah, 4 people तो for sure guys. 4
Yeah.
people के लिए तो पक्का आ जाएगा. But talking about the pimples, I don't know guys. Lava will tell you about that in a separate video about pimples. The one you get 12 users. It says 12 users. That means it says that one pack will give 2 users, and it's just for 150 rupees. That's a great
150
deal.
rupees.
Yeah.
It's a great deal. You guys can try it if you're going for a wedding, before you want to do some facial and all.
No recommendations guys.
Yeah, no
These are
recommendation.
just haul. Yeah.
Just a haul.
The one that
if
we
you
got.
want to go something budget friendly, then okay. Okay, next one from my side is an eyeshadow palette. Now this is an eyeshadow palette we have planned for so long that we want to buy it. Finally we got it. Let me show you. Oh.
It's a Swiss Beauty, like Swiss Beauty.
Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette.
Oh my god, look at the colors. Oh my god.
All the colors
these
are
beautiful.
nude, and you guys can do that
And
night
it's
smoky.
a really nice classic palette.
And the look at the packaging also, it's very nice. It's in the
very
shade
sturdy.
05.
It's a really nice sturdy
Guys,
palette.
it's in the shade 05, and this is my favorite palette out of like all the
Out of
shades
the-
of Swiss Beauty. This is the favorite shade 05.
We have
It's my
so many
favorite.
other variations, but this is something which we wanna buy because
It's very neutral, nude,
Neutral
and
to
you get
party
some-
wear.
Yeah, party wear. You get some nude shades, neutral shades, at the same time a little bit of shimmer. And I think it retails for around 200.
yeah, 299, but we got it for 230.
Yeah, and then we get around 9 shades.
That's a really great and pigmentation. Let me see.
Very good. Pigmentation is very good.
Swag.
ये वाला नहीं, थोड़ा dark वाला.
Shimmer shade also. ज़्यादा नहीं. Yeah. So you can see that, but I think it could be better. But for the price, the pigmentation is good.
Yeah,
But yeah,
it's
it
good.
can be better. But
But I think it's
for
very
the
beginners
price,
friendly.
guys, for the price, deal. Such a deal. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is a skincare again. So this one is the Every Youth Natural Exfoliating Walnut Scrubs. Removes blackhead and dead skin cells.
Very
Like,
basic one.
Very
Common.
basic one. We have been using different scrubs since year, but this one, we also tried this one in sachets. So we had a really good experience with this one.
But
so
the
that's why we
granules
got it.
are a bit larger, so be
Larger,
gentle
yeah, you
and
have
be
to
careful.
Be really gentle. If you're gonna go like this, you're gonna stash away your skin, guys. Rupees, and we got it for 63, I guess. So yeah, this one is a 50 grams product.
It's also a good
deal.
Yeah. Okay, the second thing, okay, I don't know the count, but whatever. The next thing is this one. This is another palette from Nika K.
Ooh, such a
in
colourful-
the shade Birthday Cake.
Birthday cake.
So we wanted something like a pop and a bright colors, so we got
And it's
this
really
one.
appropriate for this series because it's
Birthday
a birthday
series
series and it's a birthday,
Birthday
cake palette.
Even the pigmentation is very good. Like I like the packaging and the pigmentation. is amazing.
I think that pigmentation could be a little bit better.
Yeah, little bit better. But today I've just did some makeup.
I
with
also
this
did
one.
with this one only.
But I like
actually
the
this one as an
purple
accessory.
one is amazing. Like look at the color.
Color is really beautiful.
The pigmentation could be a little bit better because I felt like they are
Because
little light.
it is one of the products which has been raved and which have been reviewed with by a lot of other people. But I think the pigmentation could be a little bit better, guys, because I think compared to this one, Swiss Beauty gives a good pigmentation.
Sorry.
Yeah, Swiss Beauty gives a
This
good
is how-
pigmentation. It's nice or not.
But it's also affordable. This also retails for around 200, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So coming to the last, guys, we
Yeah.
are like
Done
we're done, I
almost.
guess. Yeah, we're done. So this is the last product, and it's a basic beauty sponge. You can see, and it's from Bonsun HP BP Professional Powder Puff, and
It's
it
a very
is MRP
common-
is 250, and we got it for 150 rupees.
Yeah, this is the most common beauty blender.
If they have given some options, it would be
Yeah, it would be
great.
much better.
But yeah, so this 150, if you're a beginner, then go with this one. You need a sponge rather than brush, because if you don't know how to handle brush, then you go with this blender.
So yeah, guys, we are done with all the products, and I think it was pretty quick
because we are not reviewing them.
We're not reviewing them.
randomly
We're just
saying.
showing what we just got it. And I think whatever we got was good without any damage.
Yeah.
It was perfectly packed.
But
and perfect
let me tell you that there was a lot of delay in the
Yeah,
products.
delay,
We
yeah.
got them for like 15 days. 15 years, 15 days. They were 15 days late, and we were planning to do this video really long,
very
really
long
early. But
We're a
yeah,
bit
we
late.
received it really late, and
just around 4 to 5 days.
but yeah,
before.
no complaints, guys. We are really happy with this purchase, and yeah, here is the haul for you guys. You can go with this one, so you can see how was the quality and everything. And if you find something really interesting and you want us to try something, do tell us in the comments.
And if you want a separate review about it, then do comment in the comment
which
section
product
below.
you want.
And there are more exciting videos coming on this birthday series.
So yeah, this is it for today's video,
Yeah,
guys. I
guys.
hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to send us lots and lots of wishes for our birthday. And when is our birthday? Let us tell them.
No, it's a guess, guys.
Okay, yeah, so our birthday is on.
That has to be secret.
So yeah, it's in December only, guys. It's
But we're
not
coming with a new
keep
video, like.
secret, but we are not even doing so many videos. It's gonna be 3 to 4 videos.
Yeah, that's
so enjoy them, and yeah, we are really grateful. And for birthday, we are doing a special vlog also.
guys.
I'm telling all these in this video because I know you guys been waiting, and we don't want you guys to wait along.
Yes.
So
Even
yeah,
we love shooting vlogs, so
Yeah.
we are excited for this vlog. So
Thank you so much for showing a lot of love on the girls, day out vlog.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah. So
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
you
you
have
so
loved
much.
my girl gang over
yeah,
there.
girl gang, yeah. So yeah, we'll love if you guys wanna see like more of the
More of
vlogs,
them.
then we'll love to do it because we are like getting the gift. This is also our first time. So,
Yeah. So don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.